Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, I'm going to be making you guys a summer breeze salad. Alright? So now, this is how you're going to start. You got some sweet jam lettuce. Alright? Sweet jam lettuce. That's the first thing what you're gonna need. Sweet jam lettuce. Yeah. That's the first ingredients you need. Alright, now we got some cucumber. Got some red apple. I'm using 2 red apples. Mix it together. Mix it really well together. Nice one. Now we got some tomato. Got some celery. Spring onion. Some red onion. Nice one. I'm gonna put a little bit of chili. Wow, look like too much chili. Black pepper. Some salad cream. So that's mayonnaise. Well, go on, Chef Ricardo. That's mayonnaise again. Yeah, man. It's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be fantastic. Nice and lovely. Put some salad cream now. That's the way we do it when we are in the kitchen. Take your time and just mold it together, you know. Look at that. Nice and lovely. Let's shear it up. Alright. Let's mix it together. So now what we're gonna do is simple. Shear it up together. Look at that. So amazing. Please enjoy and subscribe, leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. I have a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. Alright, as you can see it for yourself. Summer breeze salad from Chef Ricardo today. Stay tuned. See you next time in the kitchen with more recipe. Alright, look at it. Fantastic and amazing. See you next time. Bye bye.